Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your environment. Back up the current config to USB or cloud because you may overwrite it. Once done, ensure admin credentials and a serial cable or network link are available so you can maintain access. Next, put the device into setup mode using the documented jumper, button, or boot key sequence. This isolates the system for safe changes. Do this immediately because entering setup mode prevents services from altering files while you work, and it preserves state for recovery. You now make the substantive changes. First, remount the file system read-write and run a quick partition check because corrupted partitions block updates. Then apply core settings, network, time, hostname, and security keys so dependent services bind correctly. After that, install or enable required packages and set the service start order to prevent dependency races. Make sure to verify each change by restarting only the affected service. This minimizes disruption and confirms the system boots into the new configuration cleanly. You finish by rebooting into normal mode and watching the boot logs and service statuses. This confirms changes took effect. If something fails, restore the backup you made because rollbacks are faster than piecemeal fixes. Once stable, document the changes and tighten access. If you encounter blocking problems, drop to single-user mode to repair files or reset credentials. This isolates the system and avoids multi-user conflicts. Finally, run a smoke test to ensure functionality, then exit. That completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.